Anin. Today's Anishinaabe Muin word of the day. We're going to continue. So far this week, we learned how to count from 1 to 10. Now I'm going to show you how to do hundreds. So the word for 100 in Ojibwe is Godwaak. Godwaak is a word for 100. And if you want to do 200, 300, 400, you just take the word for the number. So let's say the number 2, niche. You put it in front of the walk part of Godwaak. So Godwaak is 100, Niizhwaak is 200, Niiswaak is 300, Niiwaak 400, Naanwaak is 500. So let's count it out. Right here, basic niche, nisse, niwen, nanen. That makes 100. Right here. So Godwaak, Niizhwaak, Niiswaak, Niiwaak, Naanwaak. So basic, niche, nisse, niwen, nanen, or Godwaak, Niizhwaak, Niiswaak, Niiwaak, Naanwaak. So right there, that's Naanwaak. Tomorrow we'll say how to say money.